Hey friends! Have you ever wondered what your real mission in life is? Why does one person only wants to fight, while another only wants to reach peace? Today on AstroKavakeb, I'm going to open up the 12 main codes of the soul for you. We'll start with the zodiac baby, Aries, and reach the wise elder of the sky, Pisces. These 12 stages are actually the path of evolution for all of us. And I'll explain the categories of planets too. Soon we'll dive into the signs and planets. First of all, we have Aries, the zodiac newborn who shouts, I am. Aries, I am, my existence, my leadership. Then Taurus comes and says, I have, and looks for stability. Taurus, my values, stability, possession, mine. Gemini arrives with its searching mind and says, I think. Gemini, my mind, movement, learning, the twins. And finally, we reach Cancer, which builds the roots and says, I feel. Cancer, my roots, family, emotional security. These 4 stages create our early sense of security. From shine to depth. Now the soul wants to show itself. Leo shines with glory and says, I shine. Leo, creativity, love, performance, I shine. Then Virgo comes in to bring order and says, I analyze. Virgo, order, health, details, service. When we get to Libra, we learn to say we and create balance. Libra, balance, relationships, we, beauty. But Scorpio, Scorpio goes deep and says, I desire and I transform. Scorpio, depth, transformation, secrets, inner power. This is where secrets get revealed. From the peak to union. In the end, we reach maturity. Sagittarius says, I see and I understand. Sagittarius, journey, philosophy, expansion, truth. Capricorn stands with authority on the peak and says, I use and I build. Capricorn, structure, responsibility, the peak, a goal. Aquarius thinks about everyone and says, I know. Aquarius, friendship, the future, humanity, freedom. And in the end, Pisces, the place where the soul finds calm and becomes one with the whole world, saying, I believe. Pisces, spirituality, endings, union, soul. Planets. Planets in astrology are not just a bunch of rocks. They fall into 3 main categories that explain your whole life. Sun, Moon, Mercury, Venus, Mars. These are the real you. Your personality, emotions, thoughts, love, and daily battles. Jupiter, Saturn, the bridge between you and society. Growth, luck, law, limitation, and life's big lessons. Uranus, Neptune, Pluto. These define your generation. Revolutions, dreams, deep transformations, and the things that change the whole world. Which planet is strongest in your chart? Personal, social, or generational? Thanks for being with us through subscribing and sharing. In the next video, we'll get into a detailed breakdown of the zodiac signs and their ruling planets.